in electric car land, you know, we often talk about, oh, maintenance is much simpler. There's no oil changes, for instance. You know, it's just tires and windshield wipers, which is maybe a little bit hyperbole, but not exactly. That's pretty true to my experience. And we assume, I think, that in aviation is going to be similar, no engine overhauls and so on. But what have you found? I mean, another thing that aviation manufacturers might do is say, like, all right, we're not going to worry about battery cycle counts being as high. We're going to sort of charge them more, and you're going to have to replace the batteries every so often. What have you found in terms of maintenance with the electric aviation so far?
So, of course, we have 100 hours, 100 hours inspections. And I don't think that is less time or work than a regular aircraft, because if we see what's being done and the hours being spent, it's not so much different. The batteries is the biggest maintenance thing. Not that you need to look at it all the time, but you have to replace them quite often. So we are already, for most aircrafts, on the third set right now. Yeah, and that's not what was expected. That's also not what the manufacturer has told us. But we got good guarantees on everything, so it's all right. But that definitely there's something wrong still in the software or in. We are thinking, experimenting ourselves. What is the problem? Is it the full power every time when you do a takeoff? So currently we have a project that we have one aircraft we do 45 kilowatts and one full power 65 kilowatts.
Wow.
So we have one aircraft that never has full power necessary, only in emergency situation. And we're going to see if that changes the battery. Another problem, I think, with the batteries is that you always have to charge it to 100%. Otherwise, your flight is just too short.
Yeah.
And that's normally not a good thing for batteries.
Right.
So you rather have 20 to 80. It never comes under 20 because we stop at 30%.
Right.
But that might also be something. And then there's a lot of specific software things that measure the healthiness, the state of health of the different battery cells. And there should be some improvements over there. So when we send back a battery, I'm sure it's still very good, but some cells are not good. And then the whole battery says, I'm not going to perform as I promised I would.